Hi guys, let's look at this simple question that we have here. We are told to solve the equations below. The first equation is square root of 2x plus 4 is equal to 6. The second equation is square root of 2x plus 4 is equal to 6. Although the two equations sound similar, but there is a little difference between the first one and the second one. If you look at the first one, you're going to see that the square root covers both 2x plus 4. But in the second one, the square root only covers 2x. So the way we go about solving the two equations will be a little bit different. So let's solve the equations. Solution. So for the first one, we have square root of 2x plus 4 is equal to 6. So because we have the square root covering 2x plus 4, the first thing we need to do is eliminate the square root. To eliminate the square root, we need to introduce the opposite of square root, which is square. This means we need to square both sides of the equation in order to eliminate the square root. So this will be square root of 2x plus 4 all square is equal to 6 square. So square root is going to cancel out square. We're going to have 2x plus 4 is equal to 6 square is 36. So we have 36. The next thing we're going to do is move 4x to the right. When we move 4x to the right, the positive sign is going to change to negative. So this will be 2x equal to 36 minus 4. 36 minus 4 is going to give us 32. This means 2x is equal to 32. Okay? So now we have 2x is equal to 32. In order to get x, we need to divide both sides by 2. So the left side divided by 2, the right side divided by 2. 2 is going to cancel out 2 on the left. We have x is equal to 32 divided by 2 is going to give us 16. So x is equal to 16. So we have 16 here. So this means for the first question, our value of x that makes the left side and the right side equal is 16. Let's look at the second question. In the second question, we have square root of 2x plus 4 is equal to 6. So since in the second question 4x is not under the square root, first thing we're going to do is to move 4x to the right. And when we move 4x to the right, the positive sign will change to negative. So this will be square root of 2x is equal to 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is going to give us 2. So we have square root of 2x is equal to 2. The next thing we need to do now is to eliminate square root. Since we have square root covering everything on the left. And to eliminate square root, we need to introduce the opposite, which is square. Square root of 2x all square is equal to 2 square. So on the left, square root is going to cancel out square. We have 2x is equal to 2 square is equal to 4. So on the right, we're going to have 4. The next thing we're going to do is eliminate 2 by dividing both sides by 2. So the left is divided by 2, the right is divided by 2. 2 is going to cancel out 2. We have x is equal to 4 divided by 2 is going to give us 2. Very simple. So in the first question, x is equal to 16, but in the second question, x is equal to 2. So what do we learn from this? When you have a square root covering the entire values on the left, the first thing you do is eliminate the square root. But when you have a situation where some of the values are not under the square root, the first thing you do is work on the values outside the square root, then you can work on the values in the square root. Very simple. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more math content. See you in the next video. Bye.